Welcome all. Hope all of you are doing well and safe. This video is for those who want to learn Linux. Next command is cut command. Cut command is used to extract some specific section of content from a file or some specific columns of data from a file or from lines of data. For example, I will give I'm giving some content here. Echo. Echo is used to display the data which is in within double quotes. So by using this data, we'll give cut command. So it's returning entire data. Cut -d. We are giving space to cut that data. Wherever the space is there, it will divide that entire sentence to words or columns. And from that, I'm asking to display first column. -F1 means it will display first column. So first column is Hari is the first word. So it will display the first word. If you want to display second, it will display second. Usually it will display the columns. Here, since there is only one line, so it will display, it will looks like it's a word, second word it displaying, but usually it will display the second column of a output of a previous command. So the input for the cut command is the output of a previous command is echo Hare Krishna 35 India. This is the command. The result of this command will go to the input of cut command. So for that cut command, use the output of previous command and it is divided with a space and it will return second column. If we give 3, third column. If we give 4, it will return fourth column. So we can also get the characters. If we give -b, give 1, display first character, 2, display second character. If we give 1 to 4, it will display from 1 to 4 characters. 1 to, if we give 1 hyphen, it will display complete information from 1 to 10, display 1 to 10 characters like this. Can also give 5 to 10. From 5 to 10 characters it will display. From bytes, actually it will display in a form of bytes. It will collect the bytes information. Similar way for characters also we have C. This one also similar to bytes information. It will display first one, second character, 1 to 4, to 10, 4 to 10, most of the time we use cut-d method and we'll give delimiter with which we need to divide the content and we'll give hyphen We'll give the column. Similar way, we'll change the content a little bit and see hyphen, or we'll give pipe symbol. Now if you will give, it will display complete information, because we are telling like we are asking to divide with a space, but there is no space, so that it will consider as a complete content as a single, and it will display the entire thing. So if we give the delimiter properly, now we give pipe symbol, and we are asking to cut wherever the pipe symbol is there, divide the content with it, and return the first column. So it will return first column. If we give 2, it will return second column. So it will divide with the pipe symbol and make it as a columns. First column is Hari, second column is Krishna, third column is 35, fourth column is India. So if we give 4, it will be India. Like that, it will divide the content with the delimiter, and it will return the respective column which we ask. For example, usually we will see this kind of thing in application when we're searching for some error or something like that in application logs. That time we will use this command. For example, see, we are asking here, grep the info word from application log file, and from that we are asking to display last 5 lines. So we got 5 lines here in this previous command. From that 5 lines again, we are asking to divide the content with a space, so that it will divide the content with a space, make it as a columns. From that columns, display the first column. So this is the first column. So it will display those first column information. Because there are 5 lines, that is why we received 5. If you say second column is the time here. That is why we are getting time information alone. And if we ask for third column is info word, so that we will use fourth column. Fourth column is, so it will display the next column data. This is the fourth column in this line. This will be the fourth column in this line, because we are dividing with space. So wherever the space is there, it will divide the content with the spaces. Like that, we can cut the data and we can display whatever data we need.